Recent footage of the Tesla Model 3 Highland testing on California roads shows how the new product is getting closer and closer to the US market, continuing to gain more and more popularity, while the Polestar 2 is already leaving the headlines. In this video, we'll delve into the similarities and differences to help you decide which one suits your needs best. With the generation update, Polestar 2 offers 3 versions and an additional performance pack for the all-wheel drive version. Their batteries differ not only in volume, but also in the manufacturer. In the minimum configuration, it uses LG Chem, and in all higher configurations, it uses CATL, which affects charging speed, 135 kilowatts versus 205 kilowatts. Although this is superior to the previous Polestar generation, it still does not reach the new Tesla, which offers 170 kilowatts of charging for rear-wheel drive and 250 kilowatts for all-wheel drive long-range versions, respectively. In terms of performance, the basic version of Polestar exceeds the basic Tesla by 6 kilowatts in power and by 150 Newton-meters of torque. But now, coupled with more weight, this causes the Swedish, or Chinese if you want so, car to show worse acceleration dynamics than the American one. When it comes to range, things are not so clear. While the Polestar is ahead of the Tesla in the single-engine front-wheel drive configuration by almost 12 miles of travel, it loses in the comparison of the long-range AWD versions. Plus, it's worth adding that after signing an agreement with Tesla in June, Polestar can be charged at Tesla supercharger stations, and from 2025, the Polestar will primarily come with Tesla's North American charging standard. Let's move on to the equipment. In the basic version of Polestar 2, you will only get heated front seats, while in Tesla, you will get all heated seats and even ventilated front ones. At the same time, in Polestar, you will have to pay as much as $6,000 extra for leather seats with a ventilation function. Also, in any version of the Polestar, the trunk volume is much less than in the new Tesla. In matters of Autopilot, both cars in basic versions offer assistance in monitoring blind spots. The only difference is that Polestar uses ultrasonic parking sensors, while Tesla uses its Tesla Vision. Also in Tesla, you have the opportunity to purchase full self-driving capability for $10,000 or simply enhanced Autopilot for $5,000. What conclusion can we draw? While the base Tesla is losing to the base Polestar in terms of range and power, it offers much more features inside and costs much less. We don't know the exact price yet, but experts estimate it should be $45,500, while the Polestar with one motor will cost you as much as $67,400. And if we talk about advanced versions, then Polestar has no chance at all.